How to install 4-wire plug to electrical range. This video is intended only to supplement the written installation instructions that accompanied your product, not to replace those installation instructions. The written installation instructions should be read and available to you before you attempt to install the product. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Use a new 40-amp power supply cord. Plug into a grounded outlet. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock. Before making any electrical connections, confirm that the power supply to the outlet is turned off. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws to the terminal box cover. Pull the cover down to release tabs and pull towards you to remove. If present, remove the plastic tab attached to the terminal block post with the 3 hex nuts for the power cord. Insert the tab clamps of the strain relief in the hole of the terminal block. Insert the screws to hold the tab clamps together. Next, feed the power cord wires through the strain relief. Combine the green grounding wire to the screw and reattach. Next, secure the white neutral wire of the power cord to the middle white wire terminal block post with hex nut. Using a 3/8 inch nut driver, connect the black wire and the red wire of the power cord to the black wire and red wire to the 2 outside terminal block posts using the hex nuts. Securely tighten the hex nuts. With the power cord in place, tighten the strain relief screws to secure the cord. Reattach the terminal box cover and secure with the screws. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Plug into a grounded 3 or 4 prong outlet. Do not remove ground prong. Do not use an adapter. Do not use an extension cord. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock. Plug the range power cord into a grounded electrical outlet. Slide the range into its final location.